मित्रों नमस्कार। आज के इस सेशन में हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक पर डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं और यहाँ पे जो हम टॉपिक लेंगे, दिस टॉपिक इज रिलेटेड टू क्लास 6 to 9 मैथमेटिक्स. So dear, in this session we will discuss how to construct angle 15 degree, how to construct angle 75 degree, how to construct angle 105 degree, and how to construct angle 135 degree. So let us see and do with me. Means if you follow me simultaneously, then you can understand the topic very easily. So let us see and let us start. First of all क्या करेंगे हम लोग? We will take the ruler, as you can see that, and set this ruler in your page. Let us, this screen is your page, so you can take ruler and place a ruler as you see, just like that. After that you will draw a ray such that with the help of a sharp pencil we can see that this is the a ray. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट टू डू? इसके बाद क्या करेंगे दोस्तों? लेट अस, दिस इज ए रे एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस रे इज, लेट दिस वन ओ and A. Okay, so first step of this construction is you will draw a ray OA without any measurement. After that you will take your compass such that you can see just on the screen and place the pointer of compass at the initial point of the ray OA, means on the point O. And what to do after this? इसके बाद you will open the compass and take some free distance as you like, as you wish. जितना distance आप लेना चाहें you can take it. Let us, this is the distance without any measurement, and after that you will draw a semicircle such that you can see on the screen. इस तरह से हम एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, आई थिंक दैट दिस स्टेप इज वेरी वेरी क्लियर फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड देन व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर दिस? अगेन you will take this compass and place the pointer of the compass at the intersection point of the ray OA and this semicircle. Let this digit here point is B. Okay, this one point is B. इसको हमने B पॉइंट लिया. इसी पॉइंट पर हम अपने कंपास के पॉइंटर को सेट करेंगे. ओके डियर, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट टू डू? इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? विदाउट एनी चेंजिंग द डिस्टेंस, डिस्टेंस बिल्कुल चेंज नहीं करना है. यू विल मार्क एन आर्क सच दैट यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. इस तरह से हम एक आर्क लगाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट ड्रॉइंग दिस आर्क you can observe that this arc is intersect semicircle at a point. Let this point is C. Okay, and now placing the pointer at C again without changing the distance of the compass, you will draw another arc such that you can see on the screen. Okay dear, I think that this step is also very clear. And then again you will take your compass. Let us, this intersection of point is D. Okay, and then now again you will place the compass at the this intersection point, that is D, and mark an third arc. And this let us, this intersection point of the arc is what one? This is E. After that, what to do? You can observe that point C, intersection of point C of the semicircle is make an angle 60 degree if you draw the line segment joining the O to C. So this one is angle 60 degree. So this is the very easiest things. आप आसानी से एंगल 60 डिग्री को बना सकते हैं. सो दिस एंगल इज 60 डिग्री. A line such that you can see on the screen. You will mark a ray as you see. Let us, this is a ray OX. So this ray is construct angle 60 degree, and if you join O to D, then you will get an angle 120 degree. Each arc make the angle or construct the angle 60 degree. Means point B to C is 60 degree, point C to D again 60 degree, point E to D, this is also 60 degree. So now you will draw a ray. As you see, this ray is construct angle (60 degree), and if you join O to E, then you will get an angle 120 degree with the help of ruler. So you can see that this is 180 degree, that is a straight line. Okay, but our question is how to construct angle 15 degree and then 75 degree, after that 105 degree and 135 degree. So dear, for this we will construct first of all angle 90 degree. For the angle of 90 degree, what to do? You will place the pointer of the compass at the point C, okay, and draw an arc such that you can see just middle of the point D and C as you see on the screen. This is an arc, and again you place the pointer of compass at D, and now you will draw an arc. You can see that these two arcs intersect to each other at a point. Let this point is F. We will mark point as F, and again you will take the ruler and join this point F to the point O with a dotted line. Then you will get angle 90 degree. So you will get there an angle 90 degree. This is the construction of angle 90 degree. Now how can you make 75 degree? Dear, you know that, let us, this is intersection of point, you will mark G. Okay, this semicircle intersected by the dotted line, this is the point G. So dear, how can you construct angle 75 degree? Again we will take the compass and place the pointer at the new intersection point G and draw another arc, just you can see on the screen, and again you will place the pointer at C and mark arc just on the red arc which is intersect to each other. You can see that if you join this intersection point, then you will get angle 75 degree. Here you know that the point C and D make angle 60 degree and point G divide this 60 degree in two parts, that is 30 degree and 30 degree, and again G and C distance, that is angle COG make angle 30 degree, and if you draw the bisector of 30 degree, so you will get 15 degree, and from initial point B to this intersection point you will find the angle, then you will get it 75 degree. So this is the angle 75 degree. This is our first requirement. Hence dear, you will get this ray making angle 75 degree, and let us, this name of the this ray is OY. So angle BOY equal to 75 degree. This is the construction of angle BOY, otherwise you can say that YOB. Now if you want to construct angle 105 degree, then how can you construct? Again you will take the compass this angle is 90 degree. You will construct this angle as by putting this, by drawing this arc, these arc, and if you join these two arc, then you will get an angle 90 degree. And I want to process how to make the angle 75 degree and then 105 degree. So here is the process of 105 degree. You can see that you will draw a ray joining this initial point to this intersection point. You will get, let us, this is the ray O X and this one is Y. So you will get angle 90 degree, and if you place the pointer of the compass at the intersection point and then if you mark two arc as you see, one and then two, then this intersection point will construct angle 75 degree. If you join this point to this intersection point, then there you will get an angle, how much? 75 degree. By joining this initial point to this intersection point, you will get angle 75 degree. If you will mark the ray with the blue line, let us Z, then you can say that angle XOZ equal to 105 degree. And here if you want to construct angle 135 degree semicircle, as you see, without any distance, without any measurement, you can see such. After that, placing the pointer of this point of intersection, and then you will draw arc. This is angle 60 degree, and after that again you will draw second arc. You will get angle 120 degree, and if you place the pointer of this point of intersection, then you will get angle 180 degree. And requirement to draw angle 135 degree. So what to do? You will place again this pointer at, as you see on the screen, and then you will draw two arc for constructing angle 90 degree. And then when you construct this angle 90 degree, then first of all you will join to the initial point by a dotted line. You will get this angle as 90 degree, and for the angle 135 degree you will take again the compass, and then you will place the pointer at the intersection point of the dotted line of the semicircle, and then you will mark as a arc. You can see just like that by the green color, and then place the pointer of last third one arc, making angle 180 degree. And what to do after this? You will place the pointer of compass as you see, and then you will mark next arc if you join this intersection point, then you will get angle 135 degree. 135 degree. If you take the point, let us, this one is A and this one is O and this one is B, then you can say that angle AOB equal to 135 degree. So this is the required construction of angle 135 degree.